some press wheels down to Dad for his planter. I gotta go spray. Augie's planting. We're also spraying, and then the two cultivators are running somewhere. I'm not exactly sure where they're at, but I know they're somewhere around here running. We're coming up on Dad's planting right here. Well, my boom seeped a little bit overnight. Got to fill up and then we'll see if we can get anything done today. I'm sure there's going to be wind noise in this. Woo! Probably about time that I wash this thing. It is muddy. I got my hat back too. I left it in here last night. Kind of mad and frustrated all night long because I didn't know where I put it. Kind of windy down here too, and I don't know how I feel about it. I'm not used to spraying whenever it's this windy. I never really do. But down here it's basically just us down here, so I ain't worried about killing anything. Just got over here to this field. It's just right down the way from where I parked my truck, my sprayer last night. Augie's over here planting. We are going to try and get the rest of this field done. I've got most of it, but then there's a field across the road right there that I gotta do after this one. Oh, my lunch is flying around. So as you've probably seen at the beginning of this YouTube video, I have a new intro to my YouTube videos. This guy's name is, the person I had make it, or that made it for me and just sent it to me, his name is Robert Crone, and his website is www.croneadvertising.com. If you guys want to, you can go check him out. He's actually really good at what he does, and he's made a video. He's made that for mine, and he's also made it for a couple other people. So if you would please go check him out on his website. This bridge is very tight. Wow. This field right here is what I gotta do now. Then I gotta go back across it to get back over to my water truck and do the field across ditch from it. Well, seems to me as though this sandwich is pretty good. Somehow it's still here, and it is 12:30. Right on. So we got a field over here that we can't get across this ditch to get into. So we had to ask one of our friends down the road here if we can just drive across their field to get in our field. So now I gotta go all the way around and into there. So we're gonna try and do that. It's quite a drive actually to get in there that way. That also means I gotta fold up. I hate folding up. It takes too long. I'm impatient about it. I decided to come observe Augie. It's kind of windy, so I'm waiting to see what he's gonna plant, so that I don't have to take any chances. Hand me that tape. You need tape? Yep. We'll see if he can actually do anything or not. Augie's trying to fend away the sticks by just yelling at him.
It ain't working too well.
Obviously.
They'll go away eventually. I don't want to stop.
As I'm waiting on the wind to calm down a little bit, I decided to come ride with him.
So the sticks went away.
Some of them did.
Well, the stick that was stuck on my no-till culture was.
Will he go through the ditch or will he stop at the ditch?
He'll stop as he goes through the ditch.
Oh, he's got to pull the power out. All this extra horsepower from the A270 is a lot nicer, isn't it, Augie?
Yeah, I can actually drag it through ditches and washouts now. Don't have to stop and go around them.
Oh my. But that's smoother on the camera than it is in real life.
Honestly, yeah, probably.
Putting her back down and going again.
If you wonder why I don't stop and wait for the planter to build up pressure whenever I back up to an indro like that, it is for the simple fact that on these planters there is what's called a quick start. Whenever you set it down and you start driving, as soon as it sets down, it automatically starts that planter. It starts planting right then. And if you sit down and wait, it eliminates that quick start.
Augie, are you going to give us a weather report?
Oh, I suppose, sir.
What's the weather looking like today?
Oh, it's kind of one of them deals, you know. It's a beautiful day here in southern Knox County. I have finally come out of retirement from my meteorologist business. But what you're looking at for this weekend is terrible weather. Today's beautiful, but very windy. You don't want that. That ain't no fun. Tomorrow, rain. Love rain. Just kidding. We want to plant. And for the rest of the week, Well, I guess for the rest of the week don't start till Sunday-ish, and it's supposed to start raining Sunday-ish. And anyways, it's not looking too great for the farming side of things. And, well, that's about all I got for you. I mean, if you really wanted to, you could come down here into the toilet box of Knox County and watch us plant some beans, but pretty sure probably not going to want to do that because it is the toilet box.
So we got 96 acres done here on this big field. I got another 36 to go on it. But first of all, I'm going to come over here, I'm going to fill up. And then I'm going to go up north to our Bull and Schaefer farm. And I'm going to do it before I worry about this. Steven's down here putting on anhydrous now too. Augie's planting right here in the same field that I'm in. And Augie being in the same field as me, it just, he gets in my way all the time. I'll tell you what. Well, I changed my mind. I decided I'm just going to stay down here and finish this field, put in the other half of the load that I won't have, that I was put right here, and then I will go to that pool farm and do it. Right now, though, I'm going to stay here because Augie's out of my way. He's staying over there, kind of out of my way. So, well, as you can see, it's muddy. This windshield wasn't muddy earlier. I hate mud. Might have to go wash it all. See, this one's about the same, no different. But we got, I think we're pretty well done down here. I think I might be able to go home. But this is all, it was all flooded at one point. There's, I don't know, there's it's about 75, 78 acres here, and we only done 66.9. So basically 67 acres is all we got done here. So I'm gonna go home, back to the farm. They're taking my pickup and stuff home. And I don't know if I'll have to do anything else today or not.
How you doing, guys? We're not in sprayer today. We're in the anhydrous rig. I forgot, what the heck, I'd make a video about it. We're about to get in. But, yeah, see, we're down here, down south a little bit, putting on anhydrous. We're putting like 210 pounds to the acre, which is kind of a lot since it's irrigated, so we tend to put more on the irrigated ground so the corn has more nitrogen to kind of grow with. So put it down and throttle it up, and we're good to go. We got what we've worked. Make sure we're putting it on here. See, we're going by map base, so it'll put on according to what the map says. So we're running about 5.5 or 5.3 miles an hour. So I did my pickup. I know the guy's gonna roast me on it because it's a hunk of crap. So got that.
Well, I just got back here to the farm. I'm gonna go home. It's my birthday, so I'm gonna go enjoy some time with my girlfriend, probably. this thing's still just another project. But remember to subscribe, leave a comment down below. Also tell me what you think about my new camera. I got a GoPro now, so tell me what you think about my new camera. I'm getting a mic soon. I know the audio is kind of bad on it. And then also leave a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.